trying to get the game to cast to the TV on the patio, but the cable guy is not going to be here till next week. So...
Has this ever happened to you?
Meet the MyWirelessTV2 from ScreenBeam. Don't think of it as a product. It's your plug-and-play solution for bringing high-definition television pretty much anywhere in your home. Oh, and it saves you money too, putting the upfront and monthly costs of traditional DVRs back in your pocket.
Should we show them how hard it is to install?
Yeah, let's show them that rigorous two-step process. I'm gonna plug in the transmitter.
Okay, I'll plug in the receiver, and what's after that?
That's it. There's just 2 steps. It's plug and play.
It's really that simple, huh?
Mm-hmm.
I wonder what else we can use the MyWirelessTV2 for.
ScreenBeam's MyWirelessTV2 delivers your content where you can best enjoy it. Gaming, working from home, watching the big game in the backyard. It's all not only possible, but incredibly simple.
Great. But how do I control my DVR from another room?
Built-in infrared remote support means you don't need to purchase yet another special remote, and your existing remote will work from any connected room. Cut the cords and start enjoying the freedom of wireless with ScreenBeam's MyWirelessTV2.